So I've got my tracking tags here. So this does come with 4 tags. We've got 2 black, 2 white. Also, we have these little covers that you're going to go ahead and insert your tag into. And then you can use your key ring here to go ahead and attach that to really whatever you want to. I love using these on luggage, backpack. You can put on your purse. You can even slip one of these into a wallet or even your vehicle. You don't need a subscription to use these. That's what I love about it. These do work with Apple and Google. And you're going to turn them on right here. It's kind of hard to see, but there is a button right here on the end. When you press that, it turns on. And now you can go ahead and set that up with your phone. First thing you're going to do is find the Find Me app. Next thing we're going to do is hit the plus sign. And then we're going to hit not AirTag, but other items. Then it's going to search for the item. Once it finds your item, you hit connect. And then you're going to enter the name for the tag. I've named this tag 1. Hit continue. You can go ahead and pick an emoji. Now the tracker is all set up. I have the emoji of the heart, so I know which one it's for. I love that these are just so easy to use, thin, light. You can really just put them anywhere you need to, and always track those items that you need to also. Hope you found this helpful.